Okay, I'm going to start by sanding the tabletop and the skirting because I'm going to end up staining the skirt and the tabletop, restaining it and then refinishing it because there's a lot of wear spots down there and then these hot spots where somebody set something hot. And so just to get a new finish and a new look to the top, start with a 60 grit sandpaper and then do a 120 and then it'll be ready to restain.
If you're looking to get a new dining table, but don't want to pay the money, find a cheap one that needs a little bit of work. You could redo it yourself. If you don't have a lot of experience with sanding, an orbital sander is a great tool to use to get the finish off and the stain.
Now the fun part. I'm going to wipe it down, make sure all the dust is off with the shop towel, and then we'll get to staining it with this brown mahogany stain from General Finishes.
You'll need a foam brush and some shop towels. Dip your foam brush in the stain and work in little sections around the table. Once you put the stain on, wipe it off with your shop towel. You can let it sit for about 5 minutes to soak into the wood if you want a deeper, richer stain color.
Once the stain is dried on your tabletop, you'll want to add a top coat to protect your wood. I enjoy using the General Finishes product. It's a high performance top coat in a satin sheen, and it's self-leveling and it's water-based, so it dries in about 2 hours. I do 3 coats just to protect the top of that table from all the wear and tear it takes from using it every day.
Once the first coat is dry, you'll want to sand with a 400 grit sanding paper. That keeps the top nice and smooth. Once you finish, you'll be able to enjoy this table for years to come.